On this episode of YaEat, we will be visiting my mom in Florida.
Saluta and regards from Florida.
Spend some time with your family and watch this episode. And make sure you watch to the end.
So we're here in sunny Florida, visiting my mom. It's so beautiful here. Hello everyone and welcome to episode 36 of YaEat. As usual, I'm really excited to have you here. On today's episode, we visited my mom / Nana in Florida and we had a wonderful time. I cooked for her, she cooked for me, and we had a visit from my dad's sister, my 90-year-old aunt, and we had a wonderful evening. So I hope you enjoy this episode, and please let me know which one of these recipes you like to see on an upcoming episode. Are you ready? Here we go. Print all our recipes on YaEat.tv. My flight to Florida wasn't off to a great start. It was a little on the rough side, but after that, the trip was wonderful. So I arrived in the evening and my mom had dinner waiting for me. She made what she calls a calzone, which is a fish pie, which has fried calamari, olives, cauliflower, onions. She also made some cast iron pizza and we watched the pink moon. So my first day there, my mom made lunch and she had some cured meats, prosciutto and sweet superstar and provolone cheese, but she also had leftover calamari that she pickled, and we had that with some fresh tomato and arugula. So I wanted to make dinner for my mom, and she had some chicken cutlets and some fresh tomatoes and asparagus and some provolone cheese, so I whipped up this dish real quick and it was delicious. I also had some high-speed internet installed to my mom's house and gave her some tutorial on her new tablet. Well, my lunch was so great and I missed it so much that we ate it again on the third day. After a light lunch, I hooked my mom up with Amazon Fire Stick on her TV. So you're watching YouTube on the Amazon Fire Stick.
Only it's big.
So my mom likes to eat light, so on a day 3 dinner, I just made her a little sauteed jumbo shrimp with some roasted garlic, and we just had it with a side salad. On the 4th day, I just chilled out, and we ordered some really good sushi. So on day 5, my mom loves to go to Carmine's in Palm Beach Gardens, so I took her there, and we had a wonderful time. We had a very nice lunch, and then after lunch, we went into their gourmet market and did some shopping. Their produce and all their items are extremely fresh. I can see why my mom loves this place. After leaving Carmine's, we took a ride down by Palm Beach by the breakers, where the elite live. You can't see it, but on the left side right there is the ocean. We are entering the lifestyles of the very, very, very rich and someone's beach house. I mean, just look at the landscaping on this entering someone's driveway. It's amazing. This shrub bush, or I don't even know what to call it, artwork coming up, it's just amazing. It's almost 3 stories high. We had a really wonderful day and evening. For lunch, my mother made eggplant parmesan. I was so excited to eat it, I forgot to take a picture. And for dinner, my Aunt Rita took us out to New England Fish Market. We went back to Aunt Rita's house for some dessert, and I located some pictures that she had of my dad on the left, my grandfather on the top right, my grandmother in the middle, who passed at a very young age, and her friend and my family's family aunt. On day 7, which happened to be Sunday, I had to remotely produce a live stream in New Jersey from Florida, and I also did some handiwork for my mom. And for dinner, my mom made meatballs with arugula, and I shucked some oysters.
Salute and regards from Florida.
Look at these meatballs with arugula. I got oysters for Mom. We shucked some oysters.
Say, come on down.
Come on down. You tell them. They're watching you.
Come on down.
On the 8th day, I completed my 3rd round of golf. I got a little too close to a 12-foot alligator. And I finished up some handyman work for my mom. Aunt Rita was coming over for dinner, and because I did not see my mom for Christmas Eve this year, we had a Christmas Eve in May. My mom made some cast iron pizzas and the marinara sauce that were used as the base for the Manhattan clam chowder and the Zuppa de Pesce, and also used it for the fried calamari. I sauteed some jumbo shrimp, some scallop, and some extra virgin olive oil. I prepared my Zuppa de Pesce, getting ready to fry the calamari. So we had some of the pan pizza, which I love. We had some anchovy and some vinegar marinade, Manhattan clam chowder, fried calamari with fried jumbo shrimp, pan seared sea scallop with jumbo shrimp, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and lemon, Zuppa de Pesce, and fresh shucked oysters. And just like that, my trip was over. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Well, that wraps up this episode. Thank you for joining me and spending some time with me, my mom, and my aunt down in Florida. Please post in the comments which recipes you'd like to see me do first on some upcoming episodes. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next Wednesday and every Wednesday. Have a great week.
Today I settle all family business, so don't tell me you're innocent, Carlo. Admit what you did. I'm godfather to your son, Carlo. No, Carlo, you're out of the family business. That's your punishment. You're finished. I'm putting you on a plane to Vegas. Only don't tell me you're innocent. Because it insults my intelligence. It makes me very angry. Now, who approached you? Tatalia or Barzini?
It was Barzini. Hello, Carlo.
Here's an offer you shouldn't refuse. Subscribe to this channel.